Hey, it's me, I'm JC, and I'm doing another unboxing. Now, what I'm unboxing is what I'm unboxing right here. Now, real quickly, let's take a little picture though. Gotta keep it a little bit down. Yes. One more. Alright, what we're doing right now is this. And I gotta move the camera back a little bit. Work with me, people. Work with me. Alright, sorry for the technical difficulties. I'm doing unboxing. This is my part 2 of unboxing with IAMJAC. I got this for Christmas. Yes, they kind of went all out. It's a 35 value. And it has a bonus. Oh, it has a charcoal facial sheet and a mask and toiletry bag. So, what's in here? It's face lotion. And then it has a face wash, and it has facial wipes. I can't. So I'm gonna probably go in order of what it will work in order. I would say to put on the wipes to clear off a little bit, and then you add the wash, and last but not least, you do the lotion. Now this is unboxing. Why is it unboxing? Because why not? Now I'm going to do part 1 and part 2, so I'm going to be doing the same thing. When you're going to see this, then next week will be a first try, and last week will be a review of both of this, and then another one. Now if you notice, this is a part 2. So I did a part 1. I'm going to be trying my best for my part 1 cards at this moment. Alright, ready? I'm taking it out. Now first things first is this. This is face lotion. Now what's great about this, it has oil defense. So that means if you have oily skin, this will work best for you. I'm a little sweaty from time to time, so this helps out for me too. And it has all this. This back is the most important. That's the key ingredient right there. This is, I'm going to do more of a close-up right say, let's go. This is what I'm using. This is a lotion. I'm going to do the order backwards. Next is, this is a Melanin. Well, that was a, I'm going to say that. This is a Volcano clay face wash with shine oil. It has oil defense, and it also says a little description, ready? It has a volcanic clay extract, and it absorbs excess dirt. Dirt, oil, and sweat, and it delivers a shine-free appearance. So that's really great. And what's so great about this also is that it's very harmful free. Last but not least, it has a I like the line name. This is also a volcanic, excuse me, clay facial wipes. Now what's so cool about this is that it also has oil defense and removes adults and dirt and excess oils. Now I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna look at all 3 of these, and I'm also gonna research this because I'm trying to see, I'm gonna probably figure out how to use all of them. Yes, it's weird to say this, it's a little bit of a backstory. I used to use facial wipes for like a while, which helped my skin out so great. So that's just bonus. Now, you see all 3 items. As the unboxing, let's get into what's the bonus. Just lift up, and here we are. This is the bag. And also, this is the mask. Yes, this is the IAMJAC charcoal facial sheet mask. It removes oil, minimizes pores, and it deeply hydrates. It's an oil defense as well. So we're gonna do the first thing. We're gonna open this up. Let me put the box down a little bit, and I'm gonna probably just open it up right now on camera. Since this is the first try, I want to make sure I get that out the way and then put it in the box, because these little things are heavy. And this is my second one, so you know I just did one. Ready, set. The bag is open. There's nothing really in there. First, let's put the wipes back in there. Let's see. So you can see it yourself. This has 30 wipes in there in all. What this means that this has pretty much 30 wipes, so this has 30 separate uses. When I would say to use this every single day, so this will be a 30-day wipes. So it's like great for a month. Now, also if you sweat very profusely, this may not work a whole month for you. This is why I would say if you could, I will leave the wipes for you for the gym, and have more of the, like when you go home every morning or every night when you go wash your face or something like that. Of the day dirt, you can use them separately. And here's the second one. This also has the skin part. All 3 have skin on there. So this is supposed to be helpful for your skin. We're going to do it with the first try, and I'm going to see how I'm going to feel about it, and then I'm going to give you a final review one more time. This is what it looks like. This has 0.5 ounces. That's 150 milligrams. This, as long as you use it right, I think will have the same 30-day effect. Face washes, as long as you're not heavy-handed, if you have like a longer face, it really doesn't matter. You just have to get all your spot areas and just get kind of like a good utensil, which I'm going to show you utensil to use with all this next, for the next video. Last but not least, the face lotion. Ready? I'm putting all of this in the bag. And I'm going to drop this little box. The Everyday Jack. And this is a mattifying face lotion. And this is really small. This is 25 ounces, which is okay. Don't forget, this is to cover your face. And I have a beard too, so the beard really won't get that much face lotion, I think. And don't forget, it says controls oils and it reduces pore size for a smooth, shine-free look. And we just talked about all that, and also it goes in there. Now, last but not least, we're going to add in two different things. What I'm going to also talk about right now is the mask. So we're going to just put that in there, and I'm going to do like a special video just for the mask alone, just do it on its own try. And last but not least, this is a $100. It says this is a win. This is a contest. Let's see if it's still eligible. I think it could be. Yes, it starts the year off right. It says post a picture of your everyday map gift set. So if you actually post the same thing, you can get a $100 gift set for IAMJAC.com, JERMAINEMATTERS. So if you're doing the same thing like me, if you have a gift set already, you got a gift set, received it, you also get this. This right here says what you can do, and you also just do the hashtag. Let me put it up there so you can see the instructions. This says you hashtag IAMJ holiday to enter. So it's just they're gonna start 10. They're gonna select 10 winners randomly, and for the best post, you have to be 18 or older to enter. Now that's also a great thing. I'm not doing a giveaway, but I'm just telling you, hey, why not? So 1, 2, 3. Now I get to drop the box. Ready? Yes. So let's close this up. And this will be used, and I will see you next week for our first try. And another first try. This will be the first try. See the differences? And this is the second one. Okay? See you with the next one. If you like this video, thumb me up. And I'll see you with the next one with all this facial care and a first try product review for the year. Catch you with the next one.